has been joined by God.
Loving you every day and night.
Let no man put us under.
And just to have you by my side, girl, makes my life so complete.